Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step-by-step method on how to change your public profile on Snapchat. So let's get into the video. Let's begin from the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Snapchat account and make sure you are already logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon. Now in your profile interface, you can see the option of public profile. Tap on it. Here, in order to change your Bitmoji to your photos, you have to click on the edit button, which is just by the side of bell icon. Tap on it. To change the picture, you have to tap on the gallery icon as well as add on your bio, your location and show the follower count. So to change photo, click on gallery icon. Now choose your desired photo. You can move and scale your photo to position it. Click on confirm. So there you go, you have successfully changed your public profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.